Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with UnlockBoot's official YouTube channel. In today's video, we have a tutorial for how to unlock your iPhone 12 on any carrier via our UB-SIM 14 tool. This is a very simple and easy tutorial, and following along, you will be able to unlock your phone with any carrier in the world. Let's get into it. So the first step will be to head to our website. The link is down below to store.unlockboot.com. Here, we want to find our Unlock iPhone section. Next, we want to find the UB-SIM 14 listing. Next, go ahead and select the device in which we were unlocking, so iPhone 12. And go ahead and click Buy Now. Next, you will want to fill out your information so that your UB-SIM 14 tool will be shipped directly to you. And alright guys, once you have your shipping details filled out, go ahead and proceed to checkout and complete checkout. Alright, so once you receive your shipping confirmation from UnlockBoot that your UB-SIM 14 tool has shipped, you can now go ahead and wait till it arrives, and once it arrives, we can complete the process here. So your UB-SIM 14 tool will come with a SIM card as well as the UB-SIM tool. Once you have both of these, you can go ahead and take out your current SIM card in your phone. Next, we want to use the UB14 tool and wrap it around our current SIM card and place it back in the SIM card holder. Now, it may be a bit tricky to figure out how to get the SIM card in there, but as long as you follow along with these pictures, you should be easily able to get that SIM card in there. Once you have it in, go ahead and insert the tool back into your phone and go ahead and power on your phone. Now, once your phone is on, in about 10 to 30 seconds, the UB SIM menu should pop up. Now, you just want to select ICCID mode and insert in the latest ICCID code that will be down in the description below. Tap accept once you see the setup OK message on the screen. Wait for a while and complete the activation steps. Your phone must be connected to a Wi-Fi network to complete the activation. You're all done. The device is now activated and unlocked. You can now use any other SIM card in the world. You can make a test call, check the cellular data. As long as that is all working, then the unlock is successfully completed. Hopefully this tutorial helped you guys in unlocking your phone with any carrier in the world. If this did help, please leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as we would greatly appreciate it. Signing off, this is Drake with UnlockBoot. We will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.